This is the Canon R8. It has a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS image sensor. Shoots uncropped 4K at 60 FPS. Is oversampled from 6K. No in-body stabilization. One memory card slot, and a battery the size of a Tic Tac box. In short, I love it. And the skin is from AlphaGuard. I'm not sponsored, so I'm available. This is positioned as Canon's entry-level full-frame mirrorless. I can understand why. Price point, lack of dual memory cards, the weather sealing being not quite as robust as the other models above this price point, that small battery. And if you're looking for something you can stand in a snowstorm with for hours, taking handheld video that your life depends on, and a corrupt memory card would end it, and this probably isn't the camera for you. But if you want a lightweight, powerful, comfortable handheld camera to travel with, or hike, or just take with you every day, you can do a lot worse than this camera. I've yet to encounter the overheating that others have. I've taken it out in full sun, over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, shot well over 250 images, and had hours of battery life to spare. But it is a small battery, and getting a second or third would be my first accessory. The RF 24 to 50, f 4.5 to 6.3, somehow even punches above its kit lens status. Pictures are crisp, autofocus fast, and lens stabilization does the trick. Then there's that elephant in the room. This Canon RF mount. RF mounts are expensive, and up until recently, Canon has allowed no third-party lens manufacturers to touch it. At the time of this recording, both Sigma and Tamron have announced RF autofocus lenses, but only for APS-C cameras. Will there ever be third-party RF lenses for full frame? Maybe. Maybe not. So price is going to be a negative for the Canon ecosystem. Yes, there is no IBIS, but if you want an IBIS, you would get the R7 at that same price point, or save up for the R6, which is the big brother to this guy. Yes, the battery is small, but so is the camera, and it's light. I'm willing to grab a couple extra batteries to be able to comfortably carry this and my toddler snack, and potentially my toddler everywhere I go. And yes, there is that one memory card slot, but I shoot on film all the time. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I've also never had a memory card fail. Don't buy cheap cards. Buy them from reputable places, switch them out so all your eggs are in one basket. Any camera you get, you're going to get spare batteries. You're going to have multiple memory cards. If you're a cinematographer, you probably know if you do or do not want IBIS. I've had this camera for 6 months. I've taken it out in weather of every type. My toddler has dropped it. I've put thousands of photos through it. It's misfocused maybe half a dozen times. It feels and acts brand new. And I'm not sponsored by Canon, so I'm available.